Rose Sharon. I'll find something to get you dry. Mom. What you want?
Look, in the corner.
You own this here?
No, we just came out of the wet. We got a sick girl. You got a blanket for her? Thank you. What's the matter with him?
Well, first he was sick, but now he's starving.
Do you recall?
Yeah, got sick in the cotton. Can't eat for 6 days.
Sure. You just be easy. You'll be all right.
But he's starving, I'm telling you. He's dying.
Hush, we'll figure something out.
Gotta have soup or something.
I said hush, we'll figure something out. I knowed you would. Well, will you all leave? Come on, fellas. Let's go out to the tool shed. We chose the last scene of the book because it conveys Rose of Sharon more prominently than in all of her other scenes.
Beforehand, she was more conceited and concerned with Connie and her baby. She wasn't part of the Jode family per se. She was more her and Connie and the baby. Because when the family got together in a huddle to talk about their trip, her and Connie were not a part of the huddle.
And even after Connie leaves, she's still talking about him, like as if he's gonna come back or something. She keeps talking about their dreams.
She's real naive.
Yeah, she keeps talking about it.
It shows her compassion because she had compassion, she always contained it, but she never really showed it.
She had compassion for her own, but then once the barn scene, she had compassion for others.
Yeah, once she realized how dire their situation
The
was.
scene with the field where she goes and she starts she wants to help out the family,
Yeah.
even though she's pregnant and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it starts there at that scene.
Yeah, that's when she starts realizing, okay, Connie's not coming back anymore. I have to do stuff on my own.
Yeah. The scene, in the scene itself, she makes the conscious choice to help the man. Her mom asked her, and she's like, "Yeah, I'll do it." She's ready to help him, and she's not her mom doesn't have to tell her twice to go and help him.
She didn't really have to tell her directly either.
Yeah. So the mysterious smile that she expresses at the end, the very end, is symbolic for her understanding that she can finally show this compassion that she has for her baby, but she can't show it to the baby because it died, and so she shows it to this man. And
then the mysterious smile could also be a sense of fulfillment that she's actually done something good. And
So Rose Sharon finally realizes what she did in the past and how she was, and now that she's a new character, all the tragedies ignites compassion at the end.
Action.
Sydney, give me the thing.
Let's go. Nella running from her tears.
Rose of Sharon more prominently than
oh, just cut. Okay.
Please, Mr. Gonzalez, give us an A. We tried real hard.